Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in again. So hey, where have I been? What have I been doing? I don't know. It's summertime. I haven't put a video up. It's been a while. Yeah, so the heat's just been unbearable. I know most of you guys in the country has been it's been hot. It's been hot. And just like today, it's like 88 degrees out with like 100% humidity. You go outside, it like just slaps you in the face. It's like, it's sticky outside. And in my garage, it's decent. But when I come in here, this room's insulated pretty good. And when I come in here, it's maybe a 10, 15 degree difference. So it feels good when you first come in here. But after about a half hour you're in here, it's like, whew, I gotta get me a fan in here or something because it's getting warm in here. So anyways, I've had this room completely gutted, tore apart the last probably 3-4 days. And because I finally put my mini split up. Oh, thank goodness. It's amazing here now. I think it's nicer in here than it is my house. So, but I had this place just trashed. My wife comes out here and she's like, "Oh my God, look at this mess." Oh, and I thought, I'll clean it. Calm down. So I spent 2 nights out here cleaning. I can do that now because it's comfortable in here. It's very comfortable in there. That's also heat as well. So I took my little heat storm heater I had hanging on the wall here off. I'm going to keep it in here just to see how this works over the winter. They say it works pretty good, but I haven't tried it yet because obviously it's just smoking hot out. But anyways, yeah, so I got some things done in here, some new things hung up and done, and I've been working on the diorama here and there, so I'm going to show you the diorama where it's at. It's still in the rough stage, kind of. It's still in the ugly duckling stage because it's just, like I said, it's just been too hot out here to work in here, and now it's nice, I can get some stuff done. And the diorama is actually pretty good size. And the other thing too, when I'm working with it on my table here, my bench, I just don't have a lot of room here to lay it all out. So I had this table I built a couple years ago. It's been in the house and I've been wanting to bring it out here. So works pretty good now. It's on this table, so I get something to work on and go from there. So hey, I'll spin this around and I'll show you what we got going on. All right, guys, this is the diorama. Like I say, it's pretty good size. So I sat the old Superstones truck here in front of it just to give you kind of an idea the size of this. I did this model a couple years ago. This actually turned out pretty nice. Did the old back end on it. Give it a nice touch. Like I say, this AMT kit's kind of a crappy kit. Even did some nice fancy interior on the seats there. Yeah, give it like a plaid look. Had some antennas, all that good stuff. So it turned out pretty nice. I was pretty happy with this one. So anyways, the diorama is, it's pretty good size. This table is almost 5 feet long. So I had to, obviously that's just sitting there. So this is where the office is going to go, where this cutout here is. And there's going to be another wall that goes on this side yet. And then the back, pretty much the back of it is just going to have I'll have a wall here, and then the back side of it, it'll be pretty much open. And I might put a wall up, I'm not sure, or even a part wall. Maybe just where there's, say, like behind the offices here, I might put a wall here, and just have the opening where the garage doors go through. So, well, yeah, all in all, that's pretty good size. And it's, for what I can gather, I'm pretty close to my scale here. So yeah, so that's turning out pretty good so far. Like I say, I got to do a little bit of working, like where the seams are for the brick, where the sheets come together. And of course, as I'm building it, I wasn't thinking when I put the sheets on, I should have overlapped that. So when I put the next wall up, it would overlap the brick and cover it, but I'll just have to go through and put another piece of brick on there. Not a big deal. So yeah, so that's where we're at with it so far. So it's looking pretty cool. So other than that, like I say, I got a few things getting ready to print on the 3D print. And I forgot about the weekend wrenching kit and the Tip Top shop kits from AMT. So that has all my goodies in there also that I can put in the shop here. So other than that, give you kind of a quick room tour here of what we got going on here. So it's just a look at the back wall, kind of as you walk, you know, that's the door coming in, obviously. So like I say, I did some major cleaning here this week. This thing is like clean. I'm talking clean. Took all those models down, rearranged everything. All those kits are there. These kits are unbuilt. So the kits I have on the floor down here, these kits, except for the second shelf, those are built. All those in the boxes are built. And not all of them are as they are marked. You know, some of them have double kits, they're double models in them, all that kind of stuff. And this trio kit, yeah, I bought that a long time ago, and it's a mess. But anyways, I'll get them out one day, and I think I'll show them to you guys and go from there. So yeah, like I say, we got this bad boy up here running, and this works really nice. If you guys are ever going to invest in one of these things, I highly recommend it, because it does amazing. And I mean, it just keeps the temperature in here just beautiful. So other than that, found one of my old senior pictures with my old EXP. Yes, sir. And I forgot to have this picture here. This is a Bill Elliott from '85. This was taken in August at MIS from a guy that worked in Sandusky. So got my old Michigan license plate that I found in the garage here a while back. And this old Mark's train is a train my dad had when he was a kid. So I made a shelf, and this wiring on here is off from a 48 Dodge B1 truck that I was in part of restoring at the dealership I worked at. And I ended up putting a new harness in. I thought, man, that would look pretty cool. I'll save some old wiring and look good. It'll just make myself a little diorama for this thing, or a little shelf. So it worked out pretty cool. So yeah. So yep, I cleaned this shelf all off. I was pretty impressed with myself on that one. And got everything all straightened around. And I fixed my turntable. So check this out, guys. So this here is that grip stuff that you buy for putting on steps. You know, the grippy stuff that you can put on like a walkway or entrance. It's like 4 inches wide. I don't know, 2 feet long. And it's got a yellow strip on the end. So I put 2 of them on there and made it kind of look like a roadway. So now I got a nice little, and this does very, very sticky. So it's on that rubber mat on this turntable. So it worked out pretty good. Other than that, I got the bench super swabbed up, cleaned up. Got my things hung on the wall so I can put my magnet stuff on there. And other than that, did some rearranging. I have my clips up here so I can hang my instructions while I'm working on whatever we're doing at the time. And yes, we are starting on that Oldsmobile. The paint is here, so we are getting ready to shoot that. And I put another magnet up here, so when we're painting, we got all the necessary clips and all that good stuff. And of course the paint booth. Time to change its diaper. It looks like it's getting ready for a cleaning. Yeah, so other than that, like I say, I got my model railroad stuff over here. And big cabinet outside where all that's going to go into. So, like I say, that's that table I got going here. So yeah, some of my stuff from work here. And this is a shot from the room when you first walk in the door. So yeah, I got everything pretty cleaned up in here. And like I say, it was pretty trashed in here. My wife, like I say, I think she'll be shocked when she comes back out here and takes a look. But so yeah, that's just a quick video for today, guys. And just gotta give you a what's up that I've been doing, and things have been going on. So other than typical work like everybody else, and like I say, just trying to get some of the stuff done out here as I go. So like I say, just a quick room tour of where I spend some of my time here and get some of these models put together and go from there. So hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and we're hoping to get some more diorama work done here. And yeah. So hey, next time, hopefully we'll be painting this Oldsmobile and getting that in some paint and getting going on that thing. So I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe you guys like, and shoot me a comment. So you guys have a good night, and we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching.